Okay, Pikachu, show them what you got. Wow, Pikachu, you really sucked balls out there today. I think you could use a break, and I know just the place. So you've returned to me at last, like a blind puppy lured into a wet nest of cavernous spiders. Finally, we can complete the experiment. Okay, Pikachu, let's do this. Go!
I found a girl the other day. She was dressed okay, and she asked my name, and you know, I never knew that I would fall in love with you. Oh baby, will you come back to McDonald's with me? We can have some breakfast, or we can have some afternoon tea, and we can enjoy the breakfast menu. Although baby,